Hi, I'm Robin William. We are on 4CS250. I'm going to explain web technology 8th experiment. This is my experiment. Here, my agenda is to create a database using a form function. So, using a PHP, I'm using a database. Here is a user. So, if I give some name means if there's some other name like William, some gives of password means if it is not registered because it's not stored in the database. Suppose first I got to register it. So, give the register form. So here I'm using a sign up here. So using it giving the name giving William password if I register means it will directly store in the local host. So PHP my ID, and I'm using a login database. In that will be the where my values will be stored. So in that William open William the password will be stored. If this right means it will log in. So in that if I give means so here I'm giving password. It will log in. So now I'm going to the code. So here this is my login page. Here I'm using style sheet, so style css. Here I'm using some style cs. In that I'm using a field style. I'm using some form. So in that field set I'm using a big legend login here. The form method post I'm using action hash user. Input type I'm using text user and size 40. I'm done password. Input type password name pass and size 40. Input button ID button by type submit name submit value login and href is equal to register.php. It will go to register. Okay, in that this query this is for that getting that localhost root database, and this is for to connect the server, and this is used to connect to this database, and this is for to fetching that information. So this is the to fetching the information from the database. So that will store the values and the fetching the information. It is to check the condition for the database. If it is if it the server if it connects means a hash can connect, and MySQL connect using the DB host and DB user and DB password, or if it is not type connect error connection error. And this is for that select to connect to the database, and this is server. So the database MySQLi I means the advanced version. SQL select database and connection database name. If it is not, it will dash database error. These are for that connections. So ID is equal to post user and password is equal to pass. If it is correct means select is going to store in the database. The values will be stored in the database, and this will do the fetch the array. The result will be that storing that. If it is right means it will store, not means it will not store. So this is my question. Thank you so much.